Hey, are you attending CloudWorld for the first time this year? Then you are in the perfect place. My name is Kendall Fisher, and as we count down to CloudWorld 2023, I've got all the tips, advice, and important information you need to ensure you get the most out of your trip to Las Vegas. Even though we're still a few months away from our biggest event of the year, proper prior planning starts right now. Here are a few things you can do to get ready for CloudWorld. First, make sure you read all the pre-event emails. These emails provide valuable information to get the most out of your time at CloudWorld. Second, visit the Know Before You Go page on the Oracle CloudWorld website. We update the site with new information all the time, so you certainly want to keep checking back. Third, book your accommodation at one of our 3 hotels. The CloudWorld 2023 room block is open until August 17th, so hurry and take advantage of those prices. Next, view all the breakout sessions and start thinking about your schedule. It's easy to search the catalog by topic, job role, industry, level, and content area. We'll open the agenda builder later this summer so you can officially sign up for sessions. Also, start using your free digital training benefits from Oracle University right now. The training will prepare you to take an Oracle certification test either online or in Las Vegas. It's a nearly $5,000 value, and it's all included with your pass. And finally, check out the InPerson pre-event training, which will be offered on Monday, September 18th. For just $599, you can get 4 hours of immersive hands-on training to enhance your CloudWorld experience. Capacity is limited though to 30 people per course, so make sure you sign up today. That's it from me for now. Make sure you keep checking back for more updates, tips, and information on CloudWorld 2023, and we can't wait to see you there. Hey, did you like what you learned? Make sure to check out this video or this link, and of course, subscribe now.